Good morning, y'all. This is Tanya from her workshop. In today's video, what we're going to do is clean up that side yard, because this is the view I have when I'm sitting on the stairs beside my new garden bed on the hillside. I guess many of you can agree with me that that doesn't look good. So I want a nice view, and I want to make a nice just chill out space for that side yard. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is clear out some of this stuff that we have in here. We're going to walk down here and I can show you some of the mess that I have. Over here I've stored a lot of stuff, and as y'all might remember from one of my last videos, I did this stair-step herb garden planter. That's gonna go to my sister in another city. I have my grill out here, my sawhorses, some random wood, and of course more dirt. And what we're gonna do is sift that, and I'll use that as a fill for certain areas that's low. Got an old bicycle back here, and then right here I have a table. You really can't tell from that way, but I have a table that I want to redo and reuse. It's kind of nice. And then this thing right here, this is a bench. It was actually a lounger that I made from Miss Anna White's channel, and it has served its purpose well. And I'll look at it and see what the condition of it is, and we may be able to salvage that and use it as just a bench. But I've got quite a few things I need to remove from here. All right, y'all, I'm excited. It is going to look fabulous. All right, so stay tuned. Y'all, so now that I've got the area leveled, cleaned up a bit, what I want to do is use these 6x6s that I had for another project and separate this area from that area. I want to put one there to keep my pine bark from running down, because we are on an angle here for water drainage. That was kind of hard work, but as you can see, that's gonna kind of give us our room, so to speak. People. So now that we have our floor down, we got to think about furniture. This space specifically for the grill. So the grill will go back here, and have a grill mate that can go with that. Yes. All right, y'all. This is what our little chilling out area on the side of the house kind of looks like now. I got the grill out here. I set it on some pavers there, as well as my grill buddy. I kind of like this. I made this a few years ago, and as you can see, the birds kind of like it too. Alright. I made it with a compartment where you can put a cooler in there for your cold drinks. And then this top, which we're going to redo, of course. It can be used as a serving tray I don't think I can do it with one hand, but I just put some hooks on it there. And you just lift it up and you can move it. So once the food is done, put your food here, and then you can turn around and serve the people while they're, oh, they don't have anywhere to sit. So next step, seating. Now, even though this is the side of the house, it is part of the garden. So now we need some flowers. And voila, we have flowers. Okay, y'all, I'm coming up to the side yard. It's getting a little bit dark. Not as dark as I want it to be. But look, I put up some lights. It's not too terribly bright, but it's bright enough if you want to come out here and chill out. Just got some plastic jars and put some string around the top and hung them on some hooks. Isn't that cute? So this is the side yard at this moment, y'all. We got us some flowers, a little bit of decorative art, of course our bench, and then I hung some of the lights up on a little plant holder or hanging basket. Same as over there. All right. I think we're going to enjoy this little side yard. Thank you for watching. Remember, like, comment, share.